Use headphones for the better experience. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Karuna. In this video, I just want to share the key points for prescription of Lachesis drug under the views of many homeopaths and stalwarts. Lachesis or bushmaster snake. Those who need Lachesis experience an inner restlessness which results in their extreme talkativeness, sarcasm, and intense behaviors. Physical complaints arise on the left side of the body and symptoms improve following a discharge but worsen if discharges are suppressed. They tend to be hypersexual also. Lachesis is a great remedy prescribed for snoring with conditions that gets worse at night. The patient cannot sleep as sleep brings on aggravation of all symptoms. Generalities includes hot, worse heat, left-sided, purple discolorations, averse to constrictions, pressures, worse during sleep, sleep into aggravation, better by menses, worse menopause, worse pregnancy, worse lying on left side, worse suppressed discharges, worse spring and fall, flushes of heat, hemorrhagic tendency, better by discharges. Good remedy for menopause and premenstrual symptoms, very talkative, suspicious and jealous, worse from the sleep, flushes, palpitations, headaches, feels faint. Instinctive personalities, complaints from repressions, suppressions, threatened by competition, sexual jealousy, suspicious, paranoid, dreams of snakes and death. Prescribing indications includes neurotoxics, cardiotoxic, hemorrhagic, dysmenorrhea, menopause, alcoholism, sleep apnea, sepsis, phlebitis, hemorrhages, apoplexia, paresis. Tongue, tremble and protrusion, left-sided complaints, constriction everywhere as if lump in throat, weight on vertex, rapid alteration of symptoms, annual periodicity, modalities, aggravation by heat, suppression, pressure, touch and sleep, amelioration by fresh air, discharges, menses, uncovering and heart pressure. Desserts, alcohol, oysters, pickles, coffee and farinaceous food, aversion to bread, hot food and drinks, tobacco, aggravation from alcohol, wine, fruits, milk and sweets. Here is the diagrammatic representation for remembrance of keynote symptoms. Throat, sensitive to touch, better from cold drinks, sore throats and cough, apt to begin and end with menstruation. Hemorrhagic diathesis, small wounds, bleeds more. Aggravation of complaints after sleep. L denotes left-sided complaints, intolerance of tight clothing, black tongue, left-sided, feeling of constriction, blood becomes non-coagulable, and piercing gaze and erotic aura, loquacious, that is talkativeness, changes the subject quickly, and very strong sexual desire. Left-sided complaints, swallowing is difficult, especially liquids, menstruation amelioration, aversion to anything tight around the neck and waist, difficulty in breathing at night, and hot-blooded. Fear of getting poisoned, refuses to take the medicine, worse in the morning on awaking, sleeps into aggravation, congested circulation and varicose veins, umbilical cord around the neck at birth. Lachesis may suddenly jump from inactivity to dynamic action when the situation demands. According to Kent, quick to act. The more healthy Lachesis individual has a kind of resting alertness as if the nervous system were always primed and ready to go. Lachesis is a very good remedy for climacteric. Homeopathic treatment is definitely a better choice. It is a well known fact that homeopathy cures where allopathy fails. Thank you so much for listening. Please watch, like, share, and subscribe our videos.